Hi, I'm Jennifer Rosemary Cerna with Wapato Island Farm, and I'm with Lindsay. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Lindsay. I grow flowers on the farm, and you can follow me at Rise Blooms on Instagram.
And we are here today to talk about tooth powder. About maybe 3 years ago, I really got passionate about. Hi, little mamas. I got passionate about using less plastic and decided to do my best to be zero waste. And that is something that I endeavor to do. I'm not perfect at it, but it's definitely something that I think about and work toward all the time. I remembered back to when I was a little girl, and my mom and dad, my papa used to have us use baking soda and as a tooth powder. And so I was like, why don't I use that wisdom and go back to that, and then I can just make our own, and then I won't have to be throwing toothpaste tubes into our beautiful ocean. So I started doing that, and I've just been working on a recipe for a few years now, and the kids, they like it. At first they complain a little bit because it tastes different and the texture feels different, but they're all fine and down with it now, and that's what everyone uses in my household. And so let's see, Lindsay started using it a couple months ago, and I was wondering if you'd be willing to share your experience.
It took me a minute to get used to the texture of the powder, but overall, I feel like it's so much more effective than a paste because with getting up early, working on the farm, you drink coffee, you drink tea to get that energy going, and over time, that starts to show in your teeth. So with this powder, I felt like it was strong and effective to remove those stains.
It does. And that's another huge beneficial part to this is that, this oral care really is so important for the whole body. So if you're not taking good care of your mouth, then really it can become systemic and it can affect your whole body. The plants in there are have microbial properties, and so they're really just at the beginning stages of like when you start putting food into your bodies, or you're just collecting things through the air. It's handling that right off the bat, and so it's pretty amazing. And what we have in there is the main ingredient is baking soda, and then bentonite clay, and our smoked salt, which is infused with a ton of herbs. And then we grow a large swath of Moroccan mint. That's in there, and we have some western red cedars by our pond on the land, and that's in there. We also use Oregon grape root, which is great and amazing way to just start with it, taking care of germs, and then the last thing in there is goldenrod, and that one is healthy and really good at also taking care of germs, but it's a native plant as well, and it's happy to grow here, and the bees love it, and it tastes nice. It has kind of like a sweet, soft honey taste to it. So that's it for plants, and then we also add xylitol in there and activated charcoal, and the combination is great. If you're someone who's a big DIYer and you just want to make it yourself, you totally can make this. And you can interchange different plants and herbs, no problem. And yeah, so we love this tooth powder for many reasons, and we actually ended up buying bamboo toothbrushes as well, because that was another part of just throwing plastic toothbrushes away just felt really bad, and so we wanted to make the investment into our planet and have a nice zero waste bundle for folks. So this is our 2.5 ounce jar of tooth powder, and this one will last one person about 3 to 4 months. I have been using the 4 ounce jar with me and my family, and it's lasted us about 7 months. So It really just depends on how much you put on your toothbrush and how much you feel comfortable with, but this will definitely get you over 3 months.
All right, so this is how I use my tooth powder. So I just dip the toothbrush in the water, make sure that it's pretty wet. All right, and then you do a nice little dip into the tooth powder like this. And then you want to just brush your teeth like normal, nice circles like this. Make sure that you get every surface so that all the stains can be removed. So, like this. Isn't that nice? It's so sweet. I want to get our hair all around. And the bristles are soft, which is really good for your enamel. And bamboo too. Oh, you want to get no waste, zero waste by using this. You're saving the oceans and brushing your teeth, removing stains. Very good.
Thank you so much for watching this, and we just really do encourage you to do your best to be zero waste. And yeah, we thank you so much. Have a great life.
And take care of your teeth.
And take care of your teeth. And you'll have teeth like Lindsay.